Okay, welcome back to Sub's Choice. Well, it's really not Sub's Choice today because there is no subscriber. Where are you guys? Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god. So, what are we going to do today? This is a bit cosmetic stuff. When you see these cosmetic things, when these cosmetic products, is there any focus? Maybe. Often you see this beautiful, fantastic cosmetic, because it is kind of to shoot pretty pictures, shoot pretty shit. But this is not so pretty. It's just a random bottle I found, and I was thinking you should be able to shoot any product and make it look beautiful. So this will be the challenge today. It's both white and dark. It's almost black down here. So it will be a bit tricky, I think, because this cannot take too much light. And down here it needs a lot of light. We'll see how it goes. So how to start? Well, I had a bit in mind that we can take, this is the only thing I found really, to place it on. And then we will place it on the edge here. You really don't see anything from there, yeah? I just placed it on this small. It's not so beautiful, but I couldn't find anything else. So let's place it on that one. Yeah, let's start up the camera. Today we're using Hasselblad multi-shot camera. Why? Because we can. So let's start up this camera. Are we connected? We need to start somehow. Maybe with some coffee. Oh my god, so nice. Very strong at the top, and then you come down. There's cold milk. I know, it's a bit strange. Where to start? I often don't start with the product. I start with the background. So let's do that. I have a black board. It's very fun. It's a classical mistake when you're making videos, that when you walk further away from the camera, in your head, you think that you need to talk louder back here, because it's, you know, blackboard. This will be the background. Often use A-clamps and you just put them at the end, and then you can use this as a holder. Like I said, I start with the background. Now I place it there. Don't mind this. I will show you later why. We need to set some light for the background. And I was thinking that today we should use this multispot. It makes some kind of pattern on the background. It's thanks to this multispot that you put inside a gobo, then it makes this pattern. Okay, let's take the first shot with only the background. Make sure there is no other flashes on, no, so it's only this guy. What do we get? You see, it makes this pattern on the background, like a jungle or whatever. Here we have the product, but right now there is no light, but you can see this silhouette, okay? If you don't have this kind of multispot with this Dido light chauffleur to put on, then you can cut this gobo like a black board, and then you can make your own gobo and place it in front of the flash you have. So now we have the background. The jungle is ready. So what's next? We really need to light the product. We just take another flash. I put on a zoom reflector with a 10-degree grid to make it spotted, and I was thinking we just hit it from above. But if I take a shot now, I think it's on. Guide light? Yes, it's on. So if I take a shot now, let's see. Yes, too much light, we can put down the power, but I think we should soften it up a bit with this translucent paper, I think it's called, and just put it on top. Let's take another shot. Yes, you see, much more, yes, a bit dramatic. You see, it's going from white and then it goes to green and then it becomes totally black. But one thing I noticed with this bottle is that at the bottom I saw that there was light shining through the glass. So I was thinking maybe we can lit the glass from behind. So then I built this. It's just some kind of shiny foil or plastic actually, and attached it to the back. like this, looking very funny, but when it's hidden behind, you will not see it, hopefully. Because when you have this background, it's kind of impossible to lit it from this bottle from behind, because we have this background. So that's why I made this small. So if I have a flash on the other side there, if we lit this white material, and then we will see the liquid. I mean, we will see the glass through. So I turn on this flash over here. Do we have any focus? Okay, let's take a test shot. You see? Here's the white. I place it a bit too much to the right. And this is you can see the board, the lit board through the glass. Okay, but we need to place it a bit better. I need to place it more to the left. It's a bit tricky with these small products. There's just 1 millimeter this way, 1 millimeter that way all the time. It's very, very, very complicated actually. I haven't showed you this flash. Let's take a look at this flash. This one. It's just a regular flash, and then I took this tin foil, it's like black aluminum foil, and I made it like a snoot, because I don't have a snoot. The snoot looked like this, but more fancy. And if we take a look over here, I don't want to hit the bottle. I only want this to hit the white plastic board back there. So that's why I placed this black flag, so it will cut off and not hitting the bottle too much. It will hit at the back, but that's fine, because we will not see that. So, where are we now? Let's take another shot. This is the flash that I just showed you on the side with the snoot. It hits a bit here, it should be a bit higher up. I don't think we would like to have that white square there. I don't know, because this is a bit, it's not that nice, this steel square, whatever it is. But I wonder what this is. Yeah, you see, there is a bit here. I think that this multi-spot is also hitting on this side, not only the background. And the reason why this background is not straight, then I can lit the background from this side, and I will not get the shadows from the product. Because if it would be straight and we lit it, then we would get a shadow from this. Now the shadow is over here somewhere, because we lit it from this, yes. And then we will have a nice, clean background, okay? And this multispot, if we wouldn't it, I think it would be fun to introduce a bit of this Amazonas forest onto the bottle. Because now I see, when I turn this a bit, it's a bit hard to see from there probably, but I will take a shot. I just turn it a bit, and then I think it will hit the bottle. Yeah, I think this is kind of cool, because then it will interact, the bottle will interact with the background. Right now it's starting to look kind of nice. The bottom there, it shines through. Maybe we can put in a bit more. I will turn this even more, because it's nice with these shadows. I mean, let's take another shot. And maybe they will come in a bit further to the right. Yeah, a bit. And now this starting to, I don't know, maybe this random style is kind of nice. They're a bit too bright. But the background, I cannot make the background, it needs to have this power of the flash. But because this is closer to the camera, this will be brighter. But we can put something... Right now, I think we should put something there to block the flash, so it will not hit the box. Let's take a shot. Do we block the left side of the box so it becomes dark? Yes. Because this multispot, it's hitting. You see, when I take this away, you see that it's also hitting here. It could be nice, but for now, I think we should block it. On the right side there, this square from this flash on the right side, I really would like to take that away. Can we do that somehow? Another shot. And what do we get? This is kind of nice. I was thinking, if I move this flash a bit to the right, Maybe this forest on the leaves on the... Yeah, it becomes a bit darker on the left side. I just move the flash to the right, so this becomes it's a bit more dramatic, I think. This line I don't like. This is horrible. I wonder where that comes from. It's always like this. There is something showing up and you don't really get where it comes from, so you have to investigate. I wonder if I stand in the camera position and then I will move this. It might be this one, maybe not. Let's take another shot. Yes, it was that one. But now, when I push this one, I'm blocking the snoot flash to the right and we're losing a lot on the back plastic plate, so we don't really see anything. So I need to pull it back because we want this beautiful green glass on the bottom there. Yes. So this is the spot. I think it looks kind of nice now. I noticed that it's a bit left heavy with all this black. So maybe on the left side here, maybe we should try to make like a vignette or something on the other side. Just a tiny bit, yeah. Yes, this is perfect. This camera, it has a multi-shot function. The colors will be fantastic. The sharpness will be this world. That's why you buy these cameras. So let's set the focus. I will go to the program that's called, this is Hasselblad's own application. And, oh wow, the camera is just 10% battery. Okay, so let's do this. We switch to multi-shot and then we put up the mirror and then I will take the shot. Okay, there we go. So now, when we have taken the shot, I would like to take the other, So, what I would like to do, I would like to, if we change our mind, and like to put some rainforest pattern on the box it stands on, I think we should take that one and decide later. So I will actually, and now I don't care, now I'm destroying the picture and I don't care about the product anymore. Now I would like to see if we can make some nice pattern on this box it stands on. What about that one? Yes, now we have a few variations. If we decide that we like to have this rainforest pattern on the box it stands on. If not, we just take the one we took first. So I think that's it. Don't forget to send an email to join@botvidsson.se if you like to be in Sub's Choice next episode. You will come here, you will bring something, item, idea, something, and then we will do a shoot together and I will show you some tricks. Okay, see you next time.